Malacanang has defended its push for transparency and accountability, hitting back at Vice President Sara Duterte's camp while urging her to answer the allegations against her. Meanwhile, the House prosecution panel continues to push for access to VP Sara's tax records as evidence in the impeachment trial, as questions also emerged over her hospital visit to Senator Rodante Marcoleta. The full report from IBC News correspondent Earl Tobias.
Even without the president's approval, the House prosecution panel maintains that the Senate Impeachment Court has the authority to subpoena and disclose the Vice President's tax records as part of the impeachment trial.
Pwede yung ipasubpoena ng Senate Impeachment Court, pwede yung pakuha, pwede ibuksan, pwedeng isalang. Doon po sa Senate Impeachment Court.
The Senate Impeachment Court is set to hear oral arguments on the matter on Wednesday. The prosecution also argues that there is no legal basis to invoke the bank secrecy law once the Vice President's and her husband's bank records are examined. On the first day of the trial, the Senate Impeachment Court ordered the return of a sealed box to the Bureau of Internal Revenue. The prosecution plans to use both the tax records and the documents from the Anti-Money Laundering Council or AMLAC as evidence to support its allegation of unexplained wealth against the Vice President. Meanwhile, Presidential Communications Office Undersecretary Claire Castro hit back at Vice President Sara Duterte, saying it is her allies who should be warned against spreading fake news and political attacks on President Marcos Jr. Castro stressed that transparency and accountability are mandates of every public servant, and hiding the truth about allegations against the Vice President would be a betrayal of the nation. She also underscored that President Marcos Jr. remains focused on peace, order, and development, unlike the Vice President who is often abroad on vacation. Meanwhile, the Sandigan Bayan questioned the visit of VP Sara and Senator Robin Padilla to Senator Rodante Marcoleta, who is under isolation for mild pneumonia at the PNP General Hospital. The court warned such visits could pose health risks, while the PNP Health Services admitted lapses in enforcing protocols like mask wearing. As of now, doctors say Marcoleta's condition is improving, but he remains in isolation due to chest pains, high blood pressure, and other symptoms considered an emergency case. Earl Tobias, IBC News.